Okay, dear students, I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and also I am well. I like to start my fourth lecture. I think by this time I have given 3 lectures about the Duchess of Malfi, and by this time you have known about that. So I like to give another lecture, and the lecture will be very fruitful to you. So be careful, please. Okay. And next, you see here, lecture number 4, dated 4. Only 54 students are, but 20 students I got. So, out of 54, these students are not enough. Please be careful. And those who have, everybody, I like to start your, open the video. Next. Okay, a brief summary of the Duchess of Malfi. A brief summary of the Duchess of Malfi. Act number 1, Bojola appointed as a spy. You know Bojola? Bojola is a person who was appointed as a spy to collect the information from the Duchess. Dear students, please open the video. Everybody open the video, please. Yes, everybody, please, my dear students, everybody open the video. Yes, open the video, please. Don Pamida, please, Ola, open the video, please, smile, please. আরে এগুলা দিচ্ছে কেন? নাম্বার দিয়ে আমাকে ব্যস্ত রাখে ফাজলামি মেয়েরা সব। আমি তো এখানে দেখতেই পাচ্ছি, ওখানে দরকার আছে? Okay, a brief summary of the Duchess of Malfi. Act number 1, Bojola appointed as a spy. You know who is Bojola? Bojola is a student of, Bojola is a criminal. 09 কে আপনি প্লিজ আপনারা এইভাবে আমাকে কষ্ট দিবেন, আমি পড়াবো না, তাহলে একটা সব বাদ দিয়ে দেবো। জাস্ট টাইমে ঢুকবে, তাহলে I will give the lecture. So, at the beginning of the act number 1, while Delio, a servant of the Malfi, and Antonio, husband of Duchess, they were talking in the room. At that moment, Cardinal, the brother of Duchess, and Bojola entered into the room, and they are talking each other. By this time, Bojola reported against Cardinal and Ferdinand, two brothers of Duchess, are not very well person. They are evil. They are evil and ungrateful. In answer, Antonio said that Duke is unwise to be a ruler and Cardinal is worldly prelate, অর্থাৎ পুরোহিত, বিশ্বব্যাপী পুরোহিত. The Duchess and they were talking about the appointment of Bojola. So the Duke ordered to appoint Bojola as the master of the horses of Malfi. And it was the decision of the Duke Ferdinand. So, Duchess, very simple lady, fresh lady, innocent lady, she normally agrees it. So, Bozola is appointed as a, according to general knowledge, as a master of purchase of Malfi. But actually, he was appointed as a spy to collect the information from the Duchess, what Duchess is going on. So after established the decision, the two brothers left the room and ordered and warned Duchess not to remarry. Remarry. You know, Duchess was married. Duchess was married with a husband when she was only 12 years old. But when she was 20 years, her husband died. So it was a clean time, yoke time, full of yoke. But there is a custom in the society, in the Malfi, that if the husband dies, nobody can marry or remarry. But Duchess didn't like this. For this reason, she fell in love with Antonio, a servant of Malfi. Antonio is smart. So here we see the brothers depart, warning their sister not to marry.
Sir,
Duchess and Antonio married secretly.
Sir, who is
So,
Antonio?
we see Antonio and Duchess married secretly. This is the first. Next, number 2, act number 2, Bozola started his activities. By this time, Bozola is appointed as the spy of the Duchess, who is the princess of the Malfi. So, Antonio freshly told his secret, his close friend Delio. Delio is also a servant of Malfi, about the secret of marriage. Bozola suspects about the pregnancy of the Duchess. By this time, Bozola sees that the pregnancy of Duchess. So here we see the suspicion. It was by assumption by Duchess. For this reason, as test, Duchess gives some apricots, এক ধরনের সুস্বাদু খাদ্য, to her. She ate with relish and became sick, and she was taken to labor pains room as early as possible. And by this time, she has given birth to a child, male child. যেতে পারো কেন? নিচে নিচে অপারেশনে ইয়ে করতে পারেন, সুস্থ আছে দেখে একদম নিচে ইমার্জেন্সি রুমে অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট করছে। So after test, Duchess became ill, and as very early she was taken to the labor pains room, and she has given birth to a child. Antonio made a plan to hide the truth. Antonio is her husband, but a lower class servant of that Malfi. The Duchess had delivered a boy child. Antonio gets the horoscope, but accidentally drops it. When Antonio tried to took the horoscope, but accidentally it was dropped. And Bozola and knew the truth without knowing the father of child. So Bozola by this time knew that Duchess is married and had given birth to a child, but who is the father of the child, or who is the patron fell in love with Duchess, Bozola did not find out. For this reason, his another work is to find the reality. But by this time, Bozola knew about the child, and Bozola wrote a letter about the information to Duke. So Duke was informed that his sister Duchess had been married, and Duchess had given birth to a child. Just this. Next number, Act 3. Act 2. Number 3, the Cardinal and Julia relationship. Cardinal brother of Duchess. But there is a illegal relationship between Duchess, the Julia and Cardinal. But Cardinal is actually a sorry, I like to correct it. Yes. Cardinal is actually a prelate, a pope, worldly pope. But the man fell in love and there is a illicit or illegal relationship with Julia. So it is the palace of the cardinal, and it was happened in the cardinal palace, cardinal flat. The talk between the cardinal and Julia reveals their adulterous relationship. They are talking about that their adulterous relationship, sexual relationship. Duke Ferdinand brings the news that the Duchess has given birth to a child. So when they are talking about the affairs, love affairs, at that moment Duke Ferdinand has entered into the room and brought the news or brings the news and has given that Duchess has given birth to a child. The Duke becomes very, the Duke becomes very angry, but Cardinal remains cool and advises to Duke to calm down. So the two brothers wanted to remain silent because they wanted to find out the real criminal. Who is the lover or who is that guy why Duchess has given birth to a child. So their investigation was increased by the spy Bojola. The axe ends with the Duke revealing his decision to kill the Duchess. So the two brothers made a conspiracy silently. They want to kill Duchess because Duchess, by this time, Duchess violated the rules of the Malfi. So the two brothers made plan to kill innocent sister, their sisters, the Duchess. Okay. Dear, open your video, please. Open your video. Act number 3. Point number 4. Reveal the secret. The secret is already been published everywhere. Antonio, the husband of Duchess, reveals that he becomes a father of 3 children by the Duchess. So during this time, Duchess had given birth 3 children, 2 boys, 1 daughter. Hearing the news, Ferdinand reached Malfi. Malfi is far away from the other palace of Duke Ferdinand and Duke and Cardinal. So after hearing the news, when the news was informed to Duke by Bojola, Bojola is a criminal actually, and he played a dual role. So when he heard the news about Duchess' 3 children, Ferdinand left his own palace and reached Malfi, where Duchess lives, and tried to find out the lover. He threatens to kill her lover. Not only this, he became very furious, and he wanted to kill. And it was first he threatens that he wants to kill her lover and gives her a dagger to commit suicide and leaves for Rome. And not only this, he ordered his sister and to give a dagger and to commit suicide. And not only this, he was forced to leave for Rome. Rome যাওয়ার জন্য তাকে বলে দিল চলে যাও. The Duchess advised Antonio to escape Ancona. Ancona is another place. So when Duchess heard everything, the angriness of and the anxiousness of the two brothers, Duchess advised her husband Antonio, to go to Ancona. But Bojola got all information from the Duchess. By becoming a friend of Duchess, by this time Bojola became a friend of Duchess. And it actually he took a pretending activities. ভান অভিনয় করতে লাগলো. He acted as his friend, but actually he is not his friend. He is an enemy. He is a spy. So Bodola advised Duchess to go her Loreto as a pilgrimage বোঝো ধর্মীয় পার্টি বললো যে তুমি এই ধর্মীয় যে লোকগুলো আছে একটা পার্টি এদের সঙ্গে তুমি চলে যাও it was one kind of technique to arrest Duchess by Bodola. So Bodola informed the secret to the Duke. Duke sends 150 soldiers along with Bodola to capture. So Duchess left Malfi and went to Loreto, and Loreto is very near to Ancona, and it was the conspiracy of Bodola. And Bodola informed the Duke, and Duke sends 150 soldiers with Bodola to capture, to arrest the Duchess and Antonio. Reveals the secret. Next, number 5, the cardinal gifts of the religious post. The cardinal is a prelate, Purohit. But now, after hearing the news, he left or he resigned from this post, and he wanted to give up the religious post and wanted to become a general because he wants to fight against Antonio and Duchess, because Duchess is also powerful because she has a kingdom. So post of the emperor Antonio is banished from Ancona at the instance of the cardinal. So Antonio also was forced to leave from by the advice of cardinal so that they can arrest them easily. Duke sends a affectionate letter to the Duchess to send Antonio. Duke is also a criminal. Two brothers are also criminals. They wanted to take all kinds of techniques to kill and to arrest the Duchess and Antonio and to kill. But Duchess, realizing the conspiracy, so she refused the obligation or the order of her brother Duke. She asked Antonio to go Milan. She অর্থাৎ কি বলা হয় Duchess ordered or advised or wants to escape Antonio from Loreto, from Ancona to go to Milan. The Duchess advised him to go to Milan, leaving Ancona with the eldest son. Bodola meets the Duchess, arrests her, and takes her to Malfi. But by this time, Bodola's aim was successful. Bodola arrested her and took her to Malfi. Number 6. Act number 4, the struggling scene. মানে হত্যা করার সিনটা, gloomy scene, pathetic scene. Duke knows that the Duchess faces her misery with dignity. Duke is very conscious about the activities, about the gentility, about the innocence, about the simplicity and the dignity of her sister Duchess, because Duchess is also a princess of Malfi. So she is a dignified lady. So Duke knows these. For this reason, the Duke enters into her chamber in the darkness. It was dark. The chamber was dark, and it was the technique of two brothers and Bodola to give pressure. Duchess to identify the real criminals, but Duchess is a lady of principle. Principle এখানে মানে দৃঢ়তা. So Duke enters the room, and the room is very dark, and lifts a hand sharp from a dead body of Antonio. He showed Duchess the dead with one hand at the heart, খণ্ড ছিন্ন severed অর্থাৎ ছিন্ন করা একটা হাত of dead body of Antonio তাকে দেখানো হলো. Then a spectacle of the dead Antonio, এরপরে অ্যান্টোনিওর বডি দেখানো হলো, and children and also children's art, children is presented, এটাও দেখানো হলো। They are dead. It was one kind of technique to pressure Duchess. Duke sends a lot of madmen. Next, Duke sends into the room of Duchess a lot of madmen. পাগল লোক পাঠানো হলো to pressurize Duchess. বজলা comes as a tomb maker. Tomb maker বোঝো? স্মৃতিসৌধ। অর্থাৎ বজলা came into the room and said to Duchess that after your death, your dead body will be buried in this tomb. Then the hangman came in the strangling the Duchess. এর আসলো hangman, যিনি শ্বাসরোধ করে স্ট্রাংলিং হচ্ছে শ্বাসরোধ করে হত্যা করা। অবশেষে উনি আসলেন। লেটার চিলড্রেন উইথ ক্যারোলিয়া, এরপরে চিলড্রেনদের ডেড বডি গুলো তাকে দেখানো হলো। ক্যারোলিয়া তার মেইড সার্ভেন্টকে দেখানো হলো। ফার্ডিন্যান্ড বিকামস রিমোর্স and Duchess was strangling, অর্থাৎ তাকে শ্বাসরোধ করে হত্যা করা হলো। অর্থাৎ Duchess was killed by the conspiracy of Bojola, Duke, Ferdinand and the Cardinal. So Ferdinand becomes, but after the death of his sister, Ferdinand becomes বিমর্ষ হয়ে পড়লো। Bojola wants a reward, but he says that Bojola would get pardon. You know very well, Bojola was appointed as a spy to find out the reality of the Duchess, who is her husband or lover. But Bojola succeeded, and not only this, when Bojola arrested Duchess and killed by the conspiracy of 3 persons, but being a brother, Duke became very remorse, sympathetic, but the time is up. Bojola wants reward. বজলাকে বলা হয়েছিল you will get reward if you find out the reality of Duchess. But after finding everything, Bojola wants his reward to the 2 brothers. But he says, Duke says, Bojola would get pardon for the crime. Bojola, তুমি যে অন্যায় করেছো শুধু ক্ষমা পাইতে পারার কিছুই পাবে না, কারণ তুমি আমার বোনকে মেরেছো। So Bojola decides to avenge the death of Duchess. সুতরাং Bojola became very angry and he wanted to take a revenge against 2 brothers. Number 7, and this is the last act 5. 07, Bojola attacks the criminal. Bojola became very angry because he did not get his reward. For this reason, he wanted to revenge against 2 brothers. Bojola enters the cardinal's room carrying Antonio's dead body, who is mistakenly killed. Bojola stabs cardinal with a fiery face. Bojola কি করলো? অ্যান্টোনিও ডেড বডি নিয়ে রোমে ঢুকলো and stabs মানে হত্যা করার উদ্দেশ্য, অর্থাৎ ছুরি দিয়ে আঘাত করলো কাকে? কার্ডিনাল। With a fiery face, furious actions, he shouts for help, but none came because the instruction was given the other soldiers and also the servants of the family. Bojola also kills the servant. Servantটাকে হত্যা করো। Now the mad Ferdinand comes. তোমার ফার্ডিনান্ড কিন্তু হয়ে গেছে, কিছুটা পাগল হয়ে গেছে, বোন মারা গেছে তো। Imagine to be a soldier. Cardinal pleads for help. The Duke fatally wounds the Cardinal. Kintu Cardinal was injured, and the last of all Duke hit and stabbed and killed Cardinal. During the scuffle, he wants Bojola also. Bojola expresses satisfaction by saying that he has done some good. And Bojola became very happy because last of all he did some good job on behalf of Duchess, because Duchess is very innocent, very simple. Just he fell in love and 3 children has given birth. There is no wrong. So Mr. Bojola made a reconciliation and said that he has done some good jobs by causing the death of the evil brother. 2 ভাইকে মারতে পেরেছি, I am খুশি। এটা হলো বজলার কথা। Ferdinand dies saying that but by this time Duke hit Bojola and Bojola also dies by saying that murder caused his death. That the Duchess murder caused his death. ডিউক বলে গেল যে আমার বোনকে আমি মেরেছি তাই আমার এই পরিণতি এইটা। কার্ডিনাল রাইজ এক্সপ্রেসিং দ্যাট কার্ডিনালও মারা গেল, সেও বলে গেল নোবডি শুড রিমেম্বার হিম, বলছে আমাকে কেউ মনে রাখবে না, আই এম নট এ গুড ম্যান। বজলা ডাইস, বজলাও মারা গেল উইথ এ সেন্স অফ অ্যাচিভমেন্ট, কিন্তু একটা প্রাপ্তি ছিল, সেটা কি? appealing to noble people not waver in their fight for a good cause. বলছে ভালো মানুষ সবসময় ভালো কাজের জন্যই চলে যায়। হয়তো ইনোসেন্ট লেডি, সে অন্যায় করে না, এবার সে মেরে ফেলেছি আমরা। শোন, ডেলিও অ্যালং, ডেলিও বেঁচে ছিল, ও চলে আসলো। দ্য এল্ডেস্ট সান অফ অ্যান্টোনিও অ্যান্ড ডাসেস, একমাত্র পুত্র বেঁচে ছিল, মেয়েটাও মারা যায় ছোট, মাঝখানে ছেলেটা বেঁচে ছিল, মেজর ছেলেটা, তাকে নিয়ে আসলো ডেলিও ইন দ্য সিন and the Duke of Malfi সবাইকে অনুরোধ করলো যে everybody had died here, only the living person is the son, the eldest son of Antonio Duchess. Please, neighbor, please stop everything and let him, অর্থাৎ this son will be the Duke of Malfi, let him inherit, তাকে উত্তরাধিকারী দেওয়া হোক, the dukedom, রাজ্য দেওয়া হোক, enters in the enters হবে না, and the play ends with a epilogue, অর্থাৎ সার সংক্ষেপ ব্যাখ্যা করার পরেই the drama had been ended. This is the sympathetic death of Duchess of Malfi. The character of Duchess is very important, and also two brothers, but two characters are important, Bojola and also the Duchess of Malfi. Okay, thank you, dear. Okay. I have just come here only to deliver the lesson. I like to go to hospital. আমি আমার একজন আত্মীয় অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট করতে কিছুক্ষণ আগে, আমি সেখান থেকে আসছি। নেভার মাইন্ড, তোমরা ভালো থেকো, আল্লাহ হাফেজ। থ্যাংক ইউ। নেক্সট টাইম I will give some questions and then I will give the exam date. Okay, thank you all, dear. Stay safe, stay well. আল্লাহ হাফেজ।
আচ্ছা স্যার, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম
স্যার। আজকে হায়ার 26 জন আসছে ক্লাসে।
26 জন? সব রোল নাম্বার গুলো পাঠা দিতে হবে তোমার।
স্যার
আজকে 26 জন ছিল।
ও মাই গড,
26 জন। স্যার ম্যামে ক্লাসে ইনভাইট করছে।
26 জন টোটাল। থ্যাংক ইউ, ভালো লাগলো। I am very grateful to you. You are everybody is busy to collect the students. Of course, exam will be online exam. Be careful. Okay, thank you all. Allah Hafiz.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ স্যার।